Welcome to the future of technology, where Amazon leads the way with gadgets that simplify, entertain, and connect. Today, we dive into the top 5 best-selling electronics of 2024. First up, enhance your home security with the Blink Video Doorbell. It's affordable, wire-free, and features HD video with night vision. Communicate directly via two-way audio and stay alert with motion detection alerts. The Blink app lets you monitor your doorstep with live footage, review recordings, and customized settings. For security without breaking the bank, the Blink Video Doorbell is a must. Next up, we have number 4. Meet the all-new Amazon Echo Dot, the smart speaker that does it all. Crisp sound quality for your favorite tunes, and Alexa to control your smart home. It's the sleek, voice-activated hub your home needs. Setting timers, checking the weather, or catching up on news is a breeze with the Echo Dot. Integrating smart technology into daily life has never been easier. Number 3. For audio enthusiasts, the latest Apple AirPods offer a seamless, wire-free listening experience. Immerse yourself in rich sound, effortlessly switch devices, and enjoy a comfortable fit for any activity. With a charging case providing extended battery life, the Apple AirPods are the ideal wireless companion for both fitness fans and busy professionals. Misplacing items is a hassle of the past with the number 2 product in our countdown, the Apple AirTag. Attach it to anything and use your iPhone to pinpoint its location with precision. Say goodbye to lost keys and bags. A 4-pack of AirTags means you can keep track of all your essentials, leveraging the vast network of Apple devices for the ultimate in-item location. Topping our list is the 2021 Apple iPad, 10.2-inch Wi-Fi. This versatile tablet suits students, professionals, and entertainment lovers with its stunning Retina display and powerful A13 Bionic chip. Ideal for note-taking, sketching, and video calls, the iPad combines performance with portability. It's the powerful device that fits seamlessly into your life. From controlling your smart home to finding lost items and portable entertainment, Amazon's top-selling electronics of 2024 cater to all. For the latest in tech, Amazon is your go-to. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on amazing products and stay ahead of the trends.